Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Coffee, but my name on here is Coffee Bean. Yeah, today I'm reviewing Ttdeye's Trinity Green, you guys. Trinity Green, okay? And right now I'm just unpacking the box, showing you what they're giving, but stay tuned for my review.
I'm definitely hyped right now. Definitely hyped. I've been waiting, honestly, almost 3 weeks because with everything going on with COVID, the shipping has been ridiculous. But they warned me about it, so, you know, I had to just be patient. God is working on me. But I love that it comes with these new contact cases. I needed them. I've never used this. But it might be a good idea because I actually have dealt with getting makeup on my contacts more than anything, and that is annoying. Literally, you'll experience like your eyes turning red because you got product in them. Like, it gets ridiculous, but I'm so excited. It's lit. So I'm known for being very exploratory with my color choices. I've tried the quartz, which is like ice bluish gray. I've tried the HD green, which was really pretty on me. But I wanted to kind of go for more like subdued hazel type of thing. I've been loving my natural eyes, but a girl can't see. Like, I dance and I'm not trying to wear contacts, so I'm not trying to wear glasses. So I love contacts, and I love Ttdeye because they offer year-round options for wear. They also offer daily wear. But let's check out the color, y'all. It's gonna be so Alright, so yeah, I got this in the Trinity green, and I'm just excited. Now, should I I don't feel like testing these out. I feel like it's gonna work. I just feel like it's a lot of extra work. I'm not sure. I never know which eye goes with whatever eye, because my prescription, my numbers are even. So I guess for me, Alright, so yeah, I got this in the Trinity green, and I'm just excited. Now, I don't feel like testing these out. I feel like it's gonna work. I just feel like it's a lot of worry about which contact actually feels natural in my eye. Help me. I'm not gonna know how to be. I'm not. I can feel it already. All right. Calm down. I can't. Okay, so I had to put it back because I forgot to wash my hand. Make sure you wash your hands. Especially if we ain't learned nothing from COVID. If you ain't learned nothing, wash your hands. Alright, so this is how I do it. I've seen people do it so many crazy ways, and to me this is the best option. Rest your opposite hand that you're not using on your head. Use your middle finger, pull that eye back. Use your ring finger of the opposite hand and place on the side of your actual eye. Oh man. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh. I forgot I can't see, and I was like, wait, what's happening? I'm seeing. That's what's happening. Okay. Oh! Let me just... You know, in Tyler Perry's movie with Sheila, and she's just like, it's like the end of the movie, and she's just so happy because she found love, and she's like, ah! That's what I feel like. Okay, wait. It's only one eye, Coffee. Relax. Act like you've been here before. Let's do the other eye. I wasn't gonna record this, but somebody might want to see how I struggle on different sides of my face to put these contacts in. So basically same concept, but now I'm using this left hand to prop my eye up. Let me blink a few times. This eye teared up, but wow, I love it. I love it so much. And I was like, I want a color that isn't doing the most. Like, my quartz color is fun, but it's definitely striking. It's gonna catch your attention. So I like stuff like that for like outfit choices. Like, yeah, I love these. Like, my quartz color was definitely fun. It looked great. It looked phenomenal. But my absolute favorite besides these were the greens. And I didn't want to necessarily get hazel, but I did want a color. So I really love how the Trinity green look. These are really nice. Like, I was so hyped when these came, but by the time they came, the sun was already going down. But I'm gonna definitely get some shots of them in the daylight, 'cause I think they're just gonna look even more spectacular. But yeah, I really like these. They're just doing enough. Like, very nice. Very, very, very nice. Very nice.
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to give you guys an outside view of what they look like in the daylight. And look at them, you guys. Like, you can't tell me that these aren't mine. Look at them. Literally stunning. And they match the imagery that you see in the pictures. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.